Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fill out and submit the Korea e-arrival card. So the Korea e-arrival card is an online arrival form that helps make the immigration process smoother after you arrive. So completing it before your trip can save you time and make your entry process more convenient. So this video will walk you through each step so that you know exactly what to do. So to get started, open the official Korea e-arrival card website, and on the main page, choose the individual option if you're applying for yourself. If you are traveling as part of a travel agency group, there is a separate option for that. But before moving on, take a moment to read the terms and conditions, then check the required box to continue. Next, enter the email address and type it again to confirm that it is correct. After that, continue to the next page. Your email address will be used to send a copy of the information that you submitted. So make sure that there are no mistakes. Now, it is time to upload your passport. So some details may automatically appear after the system reads your passport, but it is always a good idea to review everything carefully. So check your surname, given name, date of birth, country or region, passport number, passport expiration date, and the gender to make sure that they are all correct. After that, choose how you will enter Korea. So either by air or sea, then enter your flight or vessel number. So add your last departure location, your departure details from Korea, your next destination, and your purpose of visit. Next, enter your place of stay like your hotel or accommodation. Search for the address in English or Korean, then select your occupation. Now, if you're traveling with others, you can add more travelers before submitting. The first person will be the representative, and the others will be added as declarants. Now, once you've checked that everything is correct, simply submit the application. The process is quick and straightforward as long as all the details are entered accurately. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.